Welcome to Bluefield Tea Gardens, where every cup tells a story. Tea tasting is not just about drinking tea, it's about experiencing it with all your senses. The journey begins with the aroma. As the freshly brewed tea is poured, take a moment to inhale its fragrance. The aroma reveals the first hints of character: floral, fruity, malty, or bold. Next, observe the colour. A perfect cup of Ceylon tea shines bright and clear, ranging from golden amber to deep copper. The clarity and brightness indicate quality and careful processing. Now comes the most important step, the taste. Take a small sip and let the tea spread across your palate. Notice the body. Is it light and delicate or rich and full? Pay attention to the flavour notes. You may discover subtle hints of citrus, honey, spice, or even chocolate. Finally, focus on the finish, the lingering taste that remains after you swallow. A high-quality tea leaves a pleasant, refreshing aftertaste that invites another sip. Tea tasting is an art perfected over time. It requires patience, attention, and passion. At Bluefield Tea Gardens, we proudly share this timeless tradition, allowing you to experience the true essence of pure Ceylon tea. Because tea is not just a beverage, it's a journey in every cup.